Here we have a black beetle. Most beetles only live up to 1 year. Did you know that female beetles normally lay dozens of hundreds of eggs? Do you know there are around 2,700 different types of worms? When you cut a worm in half, only the side with the head will survive. An average lifespan of a worm is 45 years. Worms can have in between 1 to 5 hearts. Have you ever wondered why birds migrate? Birds migrate to warmer countries or places depending on their season or weather because some birds can't handle the coldness. They also have amazing feathers to keep them warm and to help them control the wind while flying. A kite are birds with a grayish white head and a reddish brown body. You can normally tell if a bird is a red kite when you look at the tail. The tail is a deeply forked tail. Ants are very social and live in large groups. Ants can breathe through their bodies, but they don't have lungs. Ants also have superhuman strength. Did you know that ants live alongside dinosaurs? 50 million years ago, ants started farming before humans. Did you know woodlices get their name from eating rotten wood? Woodlices have the ability to store a high concentration of metal without being poisoned. Woodlice live in gardens, underground and in the ground. They also have gills so they can breathe. A bee could visit 50 to 100 flowers on a single trip for nectar. A queen bee can lay up to 2,500 eggs in a day. In a bee's lifetime, it could produce 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. Slugs can reach 1/4 of an inch to 10 inches in length. Slugs can be whitish yellow, brown, or black. Slugs use chemicals in their slime to find their way home. Did you know slugs don't have teeth?